Hello students, I am Ashok, your English teacher, present here with a new video for you. Today I am going to discuss a very important grammar topic, punctuation marks and their uses in English language. It has been observed that most of the students do not know what are punctuation marks and how they are used in written form of language. They also do not know what is their identification. So let's know what is punctuation. Punctuation are marks used in printing and writing to separate sentences and clauses and to help make the meaning of sentence more clear. So punctuation are marks which we use in the end of sentences to separate them from other sentences. We also use these marks to separate clauses to make the sentences clear to understand easily. Some examples of these marks are commas, periods. Periods means full stop, and question marks are example of punctuation. Now, what are the different kinds of punctuation marks? Today we will discuss only four or five marks. First one is period, that is full stop. Then we will come to know about sign of interrogation. Then we will learn about exclamation, then colon and comma. So these are some of the marks which we are going to discuss. First of all, we will take the period, that is full stop. So full stop comes at the end of statements and commands. It is raining today. In the end, we have to put full stop or period, you can say. Do not interrupt me. This is also a statement. So we have to put in the end full stop. A question mark means something is being asked, means when in the question something is being inquired from you or someone else, we have to put at the end sign of interrogation. You can see here, are you going to lunch? This is an example. Now, exclamation mark shows excitement or feeling. So exclamation means when there is something like excitement or feeling, we have to use sign of exclamation. You can see here in the example, that is a huge dog, means this shows some feeling or excitement. Now we will learn the use of full stop or period. The period is used for more than just an end mark, means it is not only used in the end of sentences, it is used in abbreviations also. You can see here 1290 College Road. So after that it is there, means abbreviation. After the abbreviation it is used. J.K. Rowling's, after J and K there is period used. So here these are the abbreviations. Then MS, doctor, full stop is there. So period can be used with abbreviations also, not only in the end of the sentences. Where are we going? Look at this sentence, and we have to now put one mark, whether exclamation mark, question mark, period, means which should be there in the end of this sentence. Exclamation mark should be there, question mark should be there, or period or full stop should be there. So you have to identify the sentence, that what it is demanding. So if you will use sign of interrogation, it will be correct. So this sentence is a question, so we have to put question mark in the end of this sentence. Now see the next one, the phone is ringing. This is the sentence. Now you have to identify whether we have to use exclamation mark, question mark, or period. So if you will use period or full stop, it will be correct. This sentence is a statement, so it gets a period, or you can say full stop. Now see, that car is going to crash. exclamation mark should be there, question mark should be there, or period should be there. You have to select one, and if you select sign of exclamation, it would be correct, because this sentence shows excitement, so it gets an exclamation mark. That tree is going to fall on the house. Now see, you have to use one from these three marks: exclamation mark, question mark, or period. So if you use sign of exclamation, it would be correct, because this sentence is also showing an excitement, so it gets an exclamation mark. Put those papers away. Again, you have to put one sign after the sentence: exclamation mark, question mark, or period. So if you will choose period or full stop, it would be correct, because this sentence is a command, so it gets a period or full stop in the end. Now we will learn the use of colon. Colon is made with two periods. You can see here in blue color there are two big dots. It is called colon. It is used for time. You can see 11:35. So between 11 and 35 it is used. It is called colon. Then it comes before a list also. I will need the following items from the store. Afterward, this sign is used there, and then things are written: bananas, grapes, watermelon, and lemons. So this is the use of colon. The next thing is the comma. The comma is used to separate a list. You can see here my favorite animals are giraffe, comma is there, dogs, comma is there, cats, comma is there, and words. When and is used, then with the last word there is no need to put comma. It is also used between the date. You can see it was December 24, comma is there, and 2001. So comma is used in dates also. So this is all about today. The remaining punctuation marks will be discussed in another video. Have a nice day.